finding the right color for your project can be really hard. But one way of getting inspiration is looking at other things. That could be books, that could be postcards, that could be magazines, whatever you've got lying around. If you find a nice color palette, you can kind of transform that to your own project. In Canva, they have this really nice feature where you can take an image and pick a color palette from it and make it into your own. That's really easy, and I'm going to show you how. You're just going to start by making a new project, and I'm just going to choose a presentation because it works really well for YouTube. Then you go in and pick the source image for your color palette, and I chose one earlier, which is this one. Then you make a little square like this, and you can size it down and then just move it out here, and then we duplicate it so that we got 5 of them. Go. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to pick one of them, and then you go up here in the shape color and pick that one. Down here it has a palette that says photo colors, and that's actually colors that Canva picked out of the photo and made a little color palette of. So we're just going to make that one. So we're going to pick this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Quick and easy, you got a color palette. Maybe I'm missing that kind of bright pink that's there. So then we can just do it one more time. That's not one of the ones that Canva picked out. We're going to have to do it by pressing this button. And then you get a little color picker here, and then you can go around the image and you can pick the color you like. So if you want this one, you go there, and then you got a bright red one as well. That's the quick and easy way to get one color palette from one picture. If you want to kind of extend your color palette a little bit, maybe you really like the pink colors down here, you might go and see if you can find an image that kind of fits those pink colors and add that to the project. So I'm going to pick this one, which is a lot of pinks, and I'm just going to size it down, and then we're going to do it again. So we're just going to duplicate this one, and then we can go in to the color palette, and now I have 2 photo colors, so I can pick the colors here. Bright red and black. And because we didn't color pick one, there's only going to be 5. And then I also want to pick some green colors, so I'm going to do it again with this image. So obviously that's a lot of colors, and there's a lot of them that are kind of overlapping. So the one we color picked from the first image is almost identical to the one that came from the second image. So we're going to delete that one. We don't need 2 green ones either. I don't want a black, and I don't think I want that dark one either. There we go. Want that one, and I don't want the brown one. And then you can obviously kind of organize them a little bit better and say, well, I want the green in one row, I want the pinks in one row, kind of nudes in the last one. So there you go. Now you've got a little color palette based on 3 images, and you can use that in your next project. Now that you've got your own color palette, you can use it for other things. I got some ideas in this video. Thank you for watching. My name is Tina Brixton.